Hello, and thanks for stopping by our website. The following presentation is just a short discussion on how contract flooring brokers can help building owners and anyone who rents or leases or who has to buy flooring for a commercial source. We're going to talk about how flooring budgets get out of control and how expensive carpeting is and really doesn't need to be. Carpeting, tile, wood, vinyl, and everything else. All projects start with the same thing, and that's you. And you usually get involved with a designer or an architect or someone to help you pick products. From there, the designer and architect will go to a dealer, usually a specialty dealer that keeps the flooring in stock and that type of thing. And then to get it installed, you'll either use the dealer or go with the general contractor. Most people use general contractors for most projects of any large size. We'll start looking at the cost of this by starting with the manufacturer's cost. That's what the $0 or what the manufacturer charges for the product. Designers typically will take that cost and they'll mark it up 10% for their efforts. The dealer will then take and mark it up anywhere between 25 and 30%, and then the general contractor takes it from there and marks it up yet another 20%. So let's take a look at what it does to the price. You take $10,000 in flooring at the dealer's cost, or at the manufacturer's cost. You add 10% on for the designer. You add another 27% for the dealer, and then another 20% for the GC, which gives you $18,519. So your budget your $10,000 manufacturer's cost goes from $10,000 to $18,519 just in the general markup, and this is not unusual. This is usually how it goes, and this is how the process gets along. Well, is there any way to do it better? And we think so. We're a former flooring dealers ourselves, so we know how this game is played, and we thought we could do it a little bit better. We're just going to simplify the pricing. What we're going to do is we're going to take the manufacturer's cost, and then we're going to add an 8% commission. That's a transaction fee, essentially. It pays for our ability to keep our lights on and keep our people staffed and keep the call center open and keep the vendors happy. So from there, let's take a look at our example of what that cost structure does. So $10,000 plus 8% is $800, and then the cost to you would be $10,800. Now it's the same product, exactly the same product, no differences whatsoever. All you do is use us to buy it, and we deliver it instead of having someone else do it for you and going through all the middlemen. So compared to the $18,519, the $10,800 is a very easy thing to sell. Where do we buy our stuff from? Well, the same places that all the other people buy it from. Like I said, we're a flooring dealer as well, so we have arrangements and contracts and vendor agreements with all these people here and dozens more, and as well as obscure people and hospitality sites. So you're probably asking, how do I get started? Well, you need to find your products. First of all, by going to dealers or going online, and you need to get the manufacturer's information, not the private label information. Sometimes they're there to trip you up, the private label stuff. All you do is go on our website, which you're on now, and request a quote. A quote's returned to you in 24 hours. You use the online form to order it, and we ship the product wherever you want, anywhere in the U.S. and Canada. Well, thanks for your time today, and I hope to do business with you soon.